Welcome for our lesson today. We will begin our Unit 4 lesson today by chaining. So yes, using these R-controlled vowel spellings we've been working on. We're going to do a chain by sound, not by syllable, because then we're going to work on some syllable stuff. So let's start with chain by sound. All right, the first word in our chain is bark. B-ark. Bark. Let's go ahead and write the word bark. Good. The vowel sound in that word is R. Bark. From bark to barn. What change am I making? The last sound. Excellent. I'm going from k to n. So bark to barn. Bark to barn. From barn to born. Barn to born. What sound am I changing? What'd you say? Hold on. Arn. Born. What change is that? It's a middle change. It's a medial change. It's a vowel change. Good job. Barn to born. The or sound. Excellent. From born to corn. Born to corn. You're right, they do rhyme, which means I changed the beginning. Excellent. I went from b to k. From born to corn. Born to corn. Great job. From corn to cord. Corn to cord. What am I changing? The ending sound. Yes. Corn to cord. Corn to cord. Excellent. Okay. From cord to card. Cord to card. Where am I changing this word? Excellent. It's a vowel sound change. I went from ord to ark. Ard. From cord to card. Cord to card. Excellent. From card to cart. Card to cart. There's an ending sound change. Excellent. Card to cart. Card to cart. I changed the ending sound. From cart to part. Cart to part. What's happening there? Changing the beginning sound. Good job. Cart to art. Part. Good job. From part to park. Part to park. What's happening? Yes. Part to park is another ending sound change. Good job. All right, next word. From park to perk. Park to perk. Perk up. Get excited. Went from R to so I'm changing the vowel sound. From park to perk. From perk to pork. From perk to pork. What's happening there? Good job. I went to another medial vowel sound change. Pork. So park, perk, pork. 3 different words. Yes. Okay, let's go from pork. We're almost done. 2 more words. Pork to port. So like where boats park. Pork to port. What change am I making? An ending sound change. Excellent. Over here. Port. From pork to port. Great job. And last word. From port to sport. Port to sport. Excellent. You're right. I didn't take any sounds out. I made another rhyme by adding another sound at the beginning. From port to sport. Port to sport. Great job. Let's go ahead and read our chain. You ready to read our chain? Bark, barn, born, corn, cord, card, cart, part, park, perk, pork, port, sport. Great job. And if you'll notice right here in park, perk, and port, these are all three words that mean three very different things, and they are formed almost the same way. The only difference being that they each use a different vowel sound and vowel sound spelling. So park, like outside over there at the park playground. Perk, perk, get excited, perk up, cheer up, wake up, perk up. And pork, the meat that comes from pigs. Three very, very different things. All based on the vowel sound, heard and spelled in each word. Good. So those were all words that have just one syllable. The words in this chain all had one syllable, meaning they had one vowel sound. Now we're going to look at different types of two-syllable words. We're going to look at different types of two-syllable words. We've talked about this before, but we haven't really compared them. We have compound words, which are two small words coming together, like workbook, homework. Those are compound words. Then you have your words, which are a root plus an ending, where we add the ing, sometimes the ed, the the est. Those are roots plus endings. Then we have the other two-syllable words, which don't really fit into either category, but they have two vowel sounds, therefore they have two syllables. Them's the rules. Two syllables, two vowel sounds. So, I'll tell you a word, and we will do some tapping, and then we'll try to figure out where it belongs. So, the first word is marching. Marching. So, marching. Arch. Ing. Marching. That is, I was going to have you spell them, I changed my mind. That is a root plus ending word. So, march plus ing, marching. The next one. Okay. Shorter. Shorter. Or shorter is that, what kind of two-syllable word is that? That's another root plus ending word. Good. We added the ending to the root short. Short-er. Good. The next one. Sharper. Sharper. R-er. What kind is that? Yep, more root plus ending. These ones happen a lot. Root plus ending word. Excellent. So sharp is our root, and we added the ending to make it more sharp. Short is our root. We added the ending to make it more short. March is our root. We added the ending ing to give this action now. Marching. I'm marching. I'm marching to my book. Oh, yeah. All right, the next word. Barnyard. Barnyard. That's R-R. It is a compound word. Good job, because you can hear the barn and the yard coming together to make one word. Excellent. How about swimming? Swimming. Swimming is a root plus ending word. Great. So that's that verb, that action of swim. Adding the ing to give it some nowness. Give it some nowness. So swimming is happening now. What about magnet? Magnet. Okay, two vowel sounds, good. So it's obviously two syllables. But is it two smaller words? No, mag isn't a word, but net is a word, but mag is not. And that's not any of the endings we know so far. No. That is the kind. So what happens is two syllables has two individual vowel sounds, which means it is now a two-syllable word. And each of the syllables ends in a consonant. So this ends in the G, the sound G, and this syllable ends in the T, the sound T. So magnet, magnet. The next word I have for you, notepad. Notepad. Oh, ah. Oh, ah. Notepad. What kind of two-syllable word do you think that is? Correct. It is a compound word. Notepad. We've seen notes separately before. We've seen pad separately before. We bring them together and make a new bigger word. Notepad. Add. Pad. So notepad. We can tap that out and spell that out, can't we? How about upset? Upset. Well, it's clearly two syllables. We already know that's happening. That's happening in all these words. But is that a compound word, a root plus ending word, or is it two vowel sounds, means it's two syllables, and each syllable ends in a consonant? Is up a word? Is set a word? So upset is a compound word. Upset is a compound word. I've got two more. Rabbit. Rabbit. Let's see. Vowel sounds. Vowel sounds. Ah and it. Ah, it. Ah, it. Okay. Rab. It. Rab. It. It's a word. Rab's not a word by itself. So rabbit follows our two vowel sounds equals two syllables rules. And you notice rab, the syllable rab ends in the letter B, which is a B sound consonant. And the syllable it ends in the letter T, which is the T sound. Good. Last word. Plastic. Plastic. Where should we put plastic? Okay, two syllables, two vowel sounds, good. Ick. Ick is not one of the endings we've learned, no. Ick is not a word by itself, neither is plast actually. So where does that go? Plastic. 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 Two vowel sounds equals two syllables. Plastic, which means two claps. Two claps for us. Alright guys, so that is that, and we're actually, this is your cat book. This is the front of 14.1. This is the front of 14.1. This is what we're doing here today. We're only doing the front because when we got together, we did the back. But what you're going to do today is turn in what we did when we met in the past, the recent past. So when we met yesterday. So yesterday, we finished the back. Today, we're doing the front. Okay? So what we're being asked to do is to identify the number of sounds, write the word, and then identify the number of syllables. The first one, the front side, has been done for you. And this word is hamster. Looking at this, there's how many sounds in the word hamster? Circling each sound. There are 6 sounds in the word hamster. Let's write the word hamster. Syllables are in the word hamster. Oh, I heard 2 vowel sounds. Means there's how many syllables in the word hamster? 2. There are 2 syllables in the word hamster. Good job. All right, the second. Remember, what pages? This is 14.1. The front in your cat book. Let me see if I can show you. So here, cat book. See, 14.1, right there. There's the front. This is the part we're doing together right now. We already finished the back, and today you will turn in what we finished yesterday during live. Okay. So the next word, number 2, says what? Green. Green. Let's tap it out. G-er-een. Green. Good. Let's circle each sound. G-er-een. Green. There's 4 sounds in the word green. G-R, like peanut butter and jelly sandwich. You can still hear the G and the R, but they are smushed together, called a blend. E-E, 2 E's, so it's not No, two E's, two S. So digraph, E sound, green. There are 4 sounds in the word green, but only one of them is a vowel sound, which means this is a 1-syllable word. The next word, okay? Well, just looking at it, the way it's printed, how many syllables is this? It's 2 syllables. We've already established that the book is helping us to get used to seeing that. So winter, winter. Let's say it faster. Winter, winter, winter. Winter! The season we're in right now. Winter. It is winter. Oh, snap. So, breaking it down into the number. So we know, starting at the end, we know there are 2 syllables because we heard 2 vowel sounds. We heard it and we heard So that's already at least 2 sounds in the word. So let's identify all the sounds. W, in, it's 3 in the first syllable, and then t, winter. So there's 5 sounds. There are 5 sounds in the word winter. So write down there's 5 sounds, and then write the word winter. You do not need to write the dot. The dot is to help you with reading and identifying. But when it's time to write it, please don't write the dot. You don't need the dot in your writing. Winter. Because it's all one word. It's all actually one word. The next word, number 4. What does that say? Good, correct. Now, let's tap it out so we can identify the number of sounds. I'm, slime. How many sounds are in this word? There are 4 sounds. Excellent. There are 4 sounds. And how many of those sounds are vowel sounds in the word slime? How many vowel sounds do you hear? Correct. We hear 1 vowel sound, which means there's only 1 syllable. What is the vowel sound in the word slime? Yes, it is the sound I made by the split digraph, I-E. So let's circle that sound first because they're not connected to each other. We're going to have to make a little funky U shape to get around the M. So there's my I-E split digraph. Let's go ahead and circle the rest of the sounds in the word slime. Circle the first sound. S. The second sound. O. The third sound, I, is already circled. And the last sound in the word slime, the ending sound is the sound slime. So the word, let's write it. Slime. Slime. Great work, guys. All right. What's number 5 say? Good. Right. Wait, what's it say? Oh, I thought you said we were doing good. Oh, it says good. Number 5, the word is good. Oh, okay, well, let's type out good. 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 How many sounds do we hear in the word good? 3 sounds. Excellent. How many vowel sounds do you hear in the word good? Good. You hear 1 which means there's 1 syllable. So good is a 1-syllable word. Monosyllabic? I think that's the fancy name for it. 1 syllable. So what is that vowel sound in the word good? Correct. It's that and how do we spell that sound? O, 2 O. So this is not no, 2 O's come together to make that 1 sound. So we have good. Good. Let's go ahead and write the word good. Letter names. G, O, O, D. Good. That's how you spell good. All right, 2 more. Number 5 reads, all right, just looking at how it's printed, they've given us that clue to help us, get used to seeing it. The word is garlic. Garlic. Let's try and speed them up. Garlic. 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 No claps. Garlic. Garlic. Garlic! Garlic. The seasoning make food taste good. Put it in everything. I promise. Put it in everything unless you're allergic to it. I don't know too many people that don't like garlic. It's probably garlic and stuff that you don't even know is there. I promise. It tastes good. It tastes good. It goes to lots of different varieties of foods too. But yes, garlic. We hear two vowel sounds. Garlic. Let's tap them. G-R-L-I-C. Garlic. Garlic. Good job. Now, again, how many vowel sounds did we say we heard? Two vowel sounds, which means the word garlic has two syllables. The word garlic has two syllables because there are two vowel sounds that we hear in this word. We hear the sound R. We hear the sound I. Let's go ahead and identify the rest of the sounds in the word. So, G-R-L-I-C. Garlic. How many sounds are in the word garlic? Correct. There are 5 sounds in the word garlic. Excellent. There are 5 sounds in the word garlic, which has 2 syllables. So there are 2 of those sounds are vowels. Let's write the word garlic. 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 The last word is... the last word is what? Shout. The last word is shout. Let's tap out shout. Out. Shout. Excellent. And how many sounds was that? That was 3 sounds. Out. Shout. How many of the sounds are vowel sounds? 1 sound. The ow is 1 vowel sound. Not vowel, letter, vowel sound. Ow is 1 vowel sound, meaning the word shout is 1 syllable. So shout is a 1 syllable word with the vowel sound ow. So y'all told me the sounds are sh, out, shout. There are 3 sounds in this word. Good job. Now let's write the word shout, which actually has 2 digraphs. We have a consonant digraph, so s, sh, ow, and the sound t. So look, we took those 2, so the S sound, S, H, came together, made a brand new sound. That's digraph. The so the O short sound, the U short sound. They came together and they met up and they made a brand new sound, ow. So shout. Out. Shout. Great work, guys. Okay, so our words for the front are hamster, repeat, green, winter, slime, good, garlic, shout. Excellent. And remember, this is just the front side. We finished, past tense, the back yesterday. And what you're going to turn into me is a picture of the back side. The back is what you will turn in for credit. Not the front, the back. Okay? The back is what you'll turn in for credit. Great. All right, so now the question is, what am I going to do with all this information? Well, you're going to answer a series of yes or no questions that's going to put your ability to decode and read these sound spellings in short sentences. Actually, they're all questions. They're all in question marks, these specific sentence types, to the test. It's not a test, but like you applying what we've been working on to actual practical use, answering these yes or no questions in the form of a Nearpod quiz. You will also read the text today, Big Cats. You're going to read Big Cats, and got a little background information on Big Cats for you. I'm just checking to see what page that's on. please. Okay, guys, you're going to do big cats today. You're going to learn about bobcat and a panther, which are two different types of big cats. You're also going to hear and read in your text the word scamper, which means to run quickly and playfully. So like, playing on the play, kind of like Simba and Nala when I was running and playing. They were scampering around. Yes. We'll also see a few two-syllable words such as hunters. You'll see the name Robert. You will see bigger, which uses the to say something is more big. You'll also see sister. So those are some of the words you're going to see today. And so today you're just going to be reading to learn about the big cats at the Green Fern Zoo. The big cats at the Green Fern Zoo. I will not read these questions out loud to you in the Nearpod, but I will read any additional questions that I have for you, and I'll still be your partner in reading the text. Either you can go first or I can go first, but we do want to have heard or read the text 2 times before we answer questions about it. Okay? Just another plug, spelling words, 11.1 your cat book. Make sure you're using those in your spelling choice board so you can be prepared for next week's spelling test. But guys, that's all I have for you today, and I'll see you later. Bye!